Hi Pragya, how are you liking the vibe at Goa Fest this year?
Goa is nice and Goa Fest is even better. So it's nice to see a lot of known faces around, but also industrial Ecolians talking about some great work. So I'm thoroughly enjoying it.
Right. And if you had to name one of your favorite ads of all time, what would it be?
There are quite a few actually. I won't give credit to one, but I'll just come to my current brand right now. I think the way Voltas has driven relatability and relevance by using Murthy over the years, I think is a great example of how you can drive a conversation to a point where you feel this category belongs to me, right? Murthy was introduced at the time where ACs were considered to be unaffordable, and so he got the conversation in terms of AC can be afforded by a middle class person, to the point where he talked about all weather AC, and he used to get transferred to different part of the country, to the point where he talks about it's a family banter where he's talking about his brother-in-law creating a lot of noise and working less, and then he compares it to AC and said this AC actually does a lot of work without any noise. So I think the way keeping the setup the same and driving that relatability which worked for the brand, it's beautiful how the conversation are a little different, right? And hence the consumer can really understand it so well, which is what even ad likability scores are showing.
That's really interesting. And if somebody asked you what your marketing mantra was, what would your go-to advice be for them?
I think one thing which is, if I can put it like Kal Bhi, Aaj Bhi, Kal Bhi, it's going to be consumers. We marketing people, we talk about television, we talk about digital, now we're talking about AI, but everything is around the consumer. It is just the way of reaching out to the consumer has changed, the conversations have changed, but I don't think so any brand has been successful by not focusing on consumers. The way we look at it, the way we drive conversations, the way we use platforms has differed, and it will keep evolving, but we will have to stay true to the consumer, and that's my mantra.
Right. And the biggest marketing challenge that you feel in today's day and age as a marketer?
I think it's, and you kind of fall into that, pitch somehow, is the feeling of FOMO, fear of missing out, because you kind of now have started attending so many forums, start listening to a lot of things which a lot of other brands are doing, and I have a lot of young people in my team, and they often, involve themselves into several things and several platforms. I think marketers will have to make a choice as to what is relevant for them and get out of that FOMO cycle saying that I may possibly miss something that somebody else is doing. Stay true to the consumers and stay true to the fact in terms of how do you really sell the proposition to them, how do they really understand you as a brand, and what works the best for you, and don't get distracted by what the world is doing. So I think that's what is the biggest challenge right now, is the FOMO with marketers.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.